Now, quickly get to look at the next abbreviation that students are likely to see in chemical pathology, and this is what is known as the 5-hydroxytryptophan. So, what is 5-hydroxytryptophan and what is its uses? Okay, why do we mention it in chemical pathology? So, for the 5-hydroxytryptophan, you can see it here. Okay, 5-HTP. Okay, so just so you know, it's a naturally occurring amino acid. So it's a precursor to serotonin. So 5-hydroxy this 5-hydroxytryptophan, right? That's why I see it has been made into a drug. If a patient has any issue that has to do with they have low levels of serotonin, I can give this one to make serotonin for them. See, it obviously becomes what? Serotonin. So serotonin helps you with all those. Don't worry, you get to look at times when we need it. So it's sold as a dietary supplement. You understand? If somebody is depressed, you can enlighten the mood of the person. If the person is anxious, you can help out. The person is not sleeping well, you can help out. So let's discuss it in detail. It's a byproduct of what? Amino acid known as L-tryptophan. This is what? L-tryptophan. L-tryptophan gives you the 5-hydroxytryptophan. 5-hydroxytryptophan gives you serotonin. So commercially, it is produced from the seeds of what? Griffonia simplicifolia, which is a West African plant. Its role in the body is what? It's once it gets into the body, it's converted to serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that regulates the mood, your sleep, appetite, and pain perception. So medical name is what? Oxytryptan. So sold in many places as what? A drug. Okay. So this one I see that it gives a positive mood. So it makes you happy. Then definitely you know that what people will be abusing it because it makes them forget their worries. You know. Uses and effectiveness is studies suggest that it may actually improve, symptoms of depression, makes you happier. Okay. So it works similar to all those antidepressant drugs that we know. So limited evidence, it has been studied for helping in treatment of insomnia, anxiety, fibromyalgia, migraines, and weight loss. But results are inconsistent. It's not shown to work across all the population. Do you understand? But it works. So there's also other results or research that shows that it helps in treating all those Down syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease. But these ones, the results are not really that consistent. So I think that's what we got. So side effects and risks include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, drowsiness, headache, sexual problems, muscle issues. So I don't really like discussing the serious side effects because these ones you rarely see them. Okay. So I think that's what we have for what the 5-hydroxytryptophan is.